Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. This is Regina, a registered nurse. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel as I help every nurse who has this dream of working abroad achieve their dream. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to book for your Prometric test after you've chosen your Prometric test center. Okay, let's jump right in. Go on your Google and type in the word book Prometric exam, and you see this Prometric's ProScheduler. You need to select that link. Select that link and you will see this page. Select schedule because we need to schedule, and we need to select a test sponsor. Our test sponsor is Saudi Commission for Health Specialties. If you're doing something different, you can choose what fits for you, because there are a lot of sponsors, a lot of them, and Saudi Commission for Health Specialties is one of them. So we are going to choose that because that's what we are using. All right, select a program, Saudi licensing exam. That's what we are doing. Saudi licensing exam, select that. Next, schedule appointment. Now you need to read all that description and understand, because those are, scroll down, read all of it and click next. Personal data privacy, disclosure and consent. You need to read all of it, like sit down and read all of it, because it's important to know what these people need at the test center. Okay, now this is the place. Eligibility information. You're going to put your eligibility number, the one you got after doing Mumaris, and you need to put first 4 characters of your last name, and this page will open. Exam selection. Now that will be showing you from when your exam window is open, because eligibility number is valid for the whole year. If you put your eligibility number, they are going to show you, so you just click next. All right, find a test center. Now this is where you need to put the address of your test center. For those in East Africa, it's only Nairobi, Kenya, so I just wrote Nairobi and selected what came. If you put other centers, you're not going to see it because it's not there. But if you put centers that are available, you're going to see it. Now start date, you just need to select any date. Let's say today is maybe 28th of February. Maybe I want to do the exam in April. I can put maybe April 1st to April 15 and try to search if there is any available date there. You put that, you need to put that captcha, something like that, and just click next. Put that captcha and click next. These are the available dates for April. Now you can select any date and they will show you the time that the exam will be available. You can select the time and click next. Now this page will open about disclosure and consent. You need to read that they are going to check maybe your biometric, your ID, like check your IDs and things like that, rules and regulations of the exam and test center. You need to read all of it carefully, consent, know what they are telling you, so that you don't go there and mess up. So after you've read, you check on those boxes, you tick and you click next. But because I'm not paying for it, I'm just going to end here. When you click next, you'll be redirected to the page where you need to pay $289 US as for 2025, and that will be it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please consider subscribing, like, comment and share, and hope you're able to book for your Prometric test. All I can tell you is good luck.